Abaliki korwa se nyumba chubararia ao nigo baumera nasoma baganio yomo aiga somo chubosongo eleko egwa maigelio igoro yobokoreri bwabo ne kiombe kya Media Council of Kenya murikitwa mangana maya Mildred Momanyi na ikirana segi karekyo na gotorosolia roboti irokubwatya
abaliki ao korwa chinyumba chyoboraria imense ya Kenya nigo bagwetera amakonko bwaterana n'emiremo yabo ase bakwenekia na koramange ase oboliki bwabo asa yo nigo abanyane chinyumba chyoboraria baboligwe kubwaterana elyo kwenekia buna abaliki amangana ngo chigokonyu bare ase nsemo yo mochando bwabongo oyororekanire koba ase bare ekero bagokora emegano yo boiti gatie yende aya nigo akwanwa ase omobogani wo ufanisi ekero babwate egikaro kya bene asogo semia abaliki igoro yo kwerenda kuro mochando yo.
Provision of mental health services would be very, very important for journalists. Mainstreaming mental health services by the media houses would be very key, so that when journalists seek health services, let mental health services be part of the comprehensive health care.
Journalists do a lot of stories about disturbing events in society, and therefore they are likely to suffer trauma from time to time. So as a Media Council of Kenya, we have a program on safety and protection of journalists, which covers the various aspects of safety. We have the physical safety, we have the digital safety where when journalists are online, and also now mental health, because previously this is an aspect of safety that has not been very well covered within the media, and therefore we are partnering with various players, starting with psychosocial experts. It is now possible for you to get in contact with the Media Council of Kenya whenever you feel that you have a challenge on mental health, so that then we are able to connect you with experts who can debrief you, who can do counseling for you, and also address those challenges that you're seeing.
Ase omoroberio yo oragwana Dr. Rosio Tieno oyoro morokia bweru University ya Kisii nigo akwanira chinchera chebirengererie ebyo bikoretwa no gokora emegane yo ere yokoboya.
Vicarious trauma is normally common with service providers who deal with people who are traumatized either on a daily basis or people who have gone through trauma, and covering that without imagining that the journalists who do that work comfortable, without getting involved emotionally. Yes, professionally that's what they're supposed to do, but remember, journalists are also human beings who feel for others who suffer. So therefore, as they cover those sad stories, they are also likely to experience the trauma indirectly.
Nigo abaliki amangana bagokera egetambo kerekyo gyo kubasemya ase barenge na yaiga.
We want to appreciate the Media Council of Kenya for organizing this event for us. As we understand, especially from Kisii, we have covered many traumatizing events. Dr. has been able to elucidate so well on why we need to have a good, proper mental psychology and all that, as we do our work on a daily basis covering these events.
Ase chinga kicho nigo omoteneri korwa ase kiombe ky'abaliki ense ya Kenya omosubati dina ondari ateba mbabe bakobeka emerobelyo bune yaiga kera engaki lyokonya abaliki igoro yo mochando bwabongo.
So our work as a council is to facilitate an environment where mental health issues can be discussed, journalists can be open to talk about them, and also if in the unfortunate incidents that you have done a story and that has affected you, you are able to get help.
Ripoti ya Egeta Seni kya Ndizi TV, letaliane Mildred Momanyi.